Hey there, camping enthusiasts, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, I've got something truly exciting for you. As we dive into the top 5 camping gadgets you absolutely need this year, get ready to revolutionize your outdoor experience. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button to stay updated on all the latest gear reviews and recommendations. And remember, for easy access to these fantastic products, you can find the links in the description box below. Let's make this camping season unforgettable. Let's start with number 5 on our list, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, filtering out the smallest particles down to 1 micron and reducing turbidity to an impressive 0.2 microns. Plus, with rigorous testing that meets standards set by the US EPA, NSF, and ASTM, you can trust its effectiveness. With a lifespan of 4,000 liters, or 1,000 gallons, and the added bonus of making a positive impact with each purchase providing safe drinking water to a school child in need, this BPA-free wonder is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Moving on to number 4, we have the RoverTac Multi-Tool Camping Axe Hatchet. This 11-in-1 multi-tool is a camper's dream, featuring essential tools like an axe, saw, file, knife, hammer, and various screwdrivers, as well as can and bottle openers for those well-deserved refreshments after a day of adventuring. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel in a sleek black oxidation finish, this camping gear is built to last, and its easy-to-carry design, complete with a durable sheath for safe blade coverage, ensures you're always prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. Now, let's talk ambiance with number 3, the Solo Stove Mesa Tabletop Fire Pit. Perfectly designed for urban and suburban settings, this mini fire pit brings warmth and charm to any outdoor space. With its compact size and included stand for safe burning, you can enjoy the flickering flames on your terrace, balcony, or small garden without worry. Plus, its dual fuel capabilities mean you can burn pellets or wood for a versatile experience, all while benefiting from Solo Stove's signature 360-degree airflow for ultra-hot flames and minimal smoke. And with its easy-to-light design, you can go from box to burn in minutes, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned fire enthusiasts alike. Heading into cozy territory with number 2, we have the MalloMe sleeping bags. Whether you're camping in spring, summer, fall, or cooler weather, these sleeping bags have you covered with a rated temperature range from 40° F to 77° F, ensuring optimal comfort and warmth. Made from ultra-strong waterproof materials with double-layered stitching and 3D synthetic fiber fill, they provide reliable insulation against the elements, and their lightweight, compact design makes them a must-have for backpacking adventures. Last but certainly not least, we have number 1 on our list, the Lepwings Camping Lantern. This solar-powered marvel is a true lifesaver, providing reliable illumination for any situation, from camping trips and outdoor adventures to emergencies like power outages and storms. With its built-in high-efficiency solar panels and rechargeable 4,400 mAh battery, you'll never be left in the dark. And thanks to its fast USB charging capability, you can top up your lantern in as little as 3 hours when sunlight is scarce. But this lantern isn't just about lighting, it's also a multifunctional powerhouse, serving as a solar-powered rechargeable power bank for your devices when you need it most. Plus, with its dimmable ultra-bright light, adjustable from 60 lumens to 280 lumens, you can customize your illumination to suit any situation with just a touch. So whether you're braving the great outdoors or preparing for the unexpected, the Lepwings Camping Lantern is an essential companion for any adventure.